Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block multiple users on TikTok. So, TikTok lets you block multiple accounts at once, making it easier to manage spam, harassment, or unwanted interactions. So, open the TikTok app, then go to a video where the users you want to block have commented. Next, you can tap and hold one of the comments. Then in here, select Manage Multiple Comments. Select that person or that comment and click More and choose Block Accounts. Tap Block to confirm the action. If users haven't commented, so if the users haven't commented, what you need to do is to open the user's profile. So open their profile, then tap the share icon at the top right corner, then select block and click block to confirm the action. Another thing you can do is to go to your profile, click the three-line menu in the top right, go to settings and privacy. Now in here, scroll down and go to block accounts. So in here, this is where you can see all of your block accounts and you can unblock them if you want to. Just click this unblock button and that's it. If you want to block them again, just click block and click block to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.